Hey gang, so we've been working a lot with functions, linear functions, nonlinear functions, and values that don't represent functions at all. Today we're going to talk more about features of a function. So, as seen in previous lessons, a function is said to be positive if it's increasing from left to right and negative if it's decreasing from left to right. If a function is not always increasing or decreasing, it's important to be able to state what values of x for which the function is either increasing, decreasing, linear, or nonlinear. So here we have this crazy funky graph, and we've never graphed something like that, nor do I expect you to be able to graph something like that. But what I do expect you to do is to be able to figure out, well, where in that graph do I have a linear piece, a nonlinear piece, and where in the graph is it increasing or decreasing? So there are four distinct portions of this function. For each interval below, state whether the function is increasing, decreasing, linear, or nonlinear. So whenever we're describing a function, we're always looking from left to right, kind of like you're reading a book. So if something is increasing, it's going to look like this. And if something is decreasing, it's going to look like this, kind of like a negative and positive slope. And you need to be able to recognize that. So first thing we have here is looking at the interval of -4 to -2 on the x-axis. That's why it says x in the middle. So -4 to -2 is from here to here, which is this piece of the graph. So from there, from left to right, it is increasing, and it's not straight, so it's non-linear. Now we need to look at -2 to 1. So -2 to 1 would be from here all the way to here, which is this piece right here. And now from left to right, that's decreasing. And it's still not straight, so it's still non-linear. Then 1 to 7 is here to here, which is this segment here. And now from left to right, that is going up, so it's increasing. And it is straight, so it is linear. And then lastly, from 7 to 10, that's this piece here, or this section of the graph. And that is going downhill, therefore it's decreasing. And it is not straight, so it is non-linear. So hopefully you see how I'm getting all of those terms from the graph, and you'll be able to do this on your own. Let's see what we got next. Oh, you're on your own. So you're going to try numbers 2 through 4 on your own. Make sure you're checking in with me so I can be sure that you've got it right. Once you're all done, you can move on to your exit tickets.